Hey everybody, got another video update on ELR with a twist. It's a 1978 Kawasaki KZ650. It's our current build that we've got going right now. Got the wiring harness and everything tied in, and want to give you a little update. So you see we got the sprockets and the chain on, get the rear brakes and everything tied in. I need to readjust those, but it's all tied in. Still no carbs, but everything else is tied in. The still got that KZ 750 fender on the front. That's going to come off. I just haven't done that yet. I'll tell you what, let's go to the front first. So you can see we did a 7-inch headlight, which is a little bigger than we normally do, but just decided we wanted to kind of go with a bigger look on that. Same standard Bike Master Arrowhead signal indicators that we typically do. We did lower the controls on this one. I'll tell you what. So you can see on the green flagship bike, you can see that smaller headlight, 6-inch headlight, and then the how the gauges are floated up. And then on this ELR with the twist, we dropped them on the bottom here and lowered them down, and we went with the white gauges on there as well, because we did a poll recently and those were a bit more popular. So everything's working. You see the illumination there. The lights are kind of throwing it off a little bit, but headlight. All the good stuff. So there you go. We're getting there. You know, lots of little odds and ends. This is kind of the pile of things. This throttle cables, the electronic ignition from Dynatech. That's the fuel tank cap, oil filter. We still got to change the oil out. There's GT grips from Lowbrow Customs, fuel filter. These are carb boots, or actually those are intake boots. And petcock, and then the carbs are in here, so you can kind of see the pile is getting a little closer to finished. And then obviously we got a big paint job to do. So appreciate you checking in.